In this video, we're going to look at lists or arrays. So I'm going to make essentially lists hold multiple values for the same type of variable. What on earth do I mean? Well, let's make a menu. So let's say food items equals. Now I want to make this a list. I want to make it multiple items. So I'm going to open a square bracket. I'm going to say my first item is pizza. I'm going to add another item. Now, because I'm using a string value, the next item also has to be a string. So I'm going to say garlic bread. And then the next item is going to be spaghetti. And then let's make the next item a Coke. Okay. Well, what can I do with this? If I want to get any value out of the list specifically, just by itself, there's a way to do that. Now, an important thing to note with lists is they start at 0. Computers start counting at 0. So if I was to get value 0, it would get me pizza. If I got value 2, 0, 1, 2, it's actually going to print out spaghetti. So let's have a look at that. So let's go print food items. So I'm getting an item from the list. And I want to get 0. Notice I put it in square brackets there. So if I run this, it prints out pizza for me. Let's change this to 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. It should return Coke. Let's run it. And there it is. So I can pull individual values from the list. Now they don't just have to be strings. So let's make another list and call it food prices. So the pizza, I'm going to say costs $11.50. So I'm putting in float values now. The garlic bread is going to be $7.50. It's good garlic bread. The spaghetti, let's make that $12. And the Coke, let's make that $4. So I can actually start to pull values from this list as well. So say I wanted to get the price, or the food item and the price in spot 3. So we know that it's going to be 0, 1, 2, 3. It's going to be a Coke. So let's also get the price for that by looking at our prices list and getting that value. Now I'll run it. It's going to be a Coke. It's going to be $4. Okay. If I want to make this a little bit smarter, I could say to the user, so selection, and say int input, what item number do you want information for? So I'm asking the user to put in an integer value, asking what I want to get information for. So I want to now put whatever their selection is in here. So in theory, if I run it, I'm going to say 0, it gives me the pizza info. I'm going to say 2, it gives me the spaghetti information. So lists are really powerful because they can store lots of information in one variable. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to loop over these lists and make your life even easier.